Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the spark plug of a car. So basically I have this Maruti Suzuki Swift standing beside me. As you can see that these are the spark plugs, these are the coils. So beneath this they are the spark plugs, but I also have with me a Hyundai Verna 1.6. And so how do we access the spark plug in this particular vehicle? So this video is going to be all about how to change or how to clean the spark plug of a vehicle whose spark plug is like this, the layout is like this. So keep on watching this video. Friends, we just need to remove this cover here, and beneath this we'll get this plugs, and beneath this we'll get the spark plugs. So friends, as you can see, we have removed this cover here. This cover is something like this. So beneath this we get the spark plugs, and we need the 16 number socket, and we need to pull this like this, and we need to loosen this up, and then we will get the spark plugs out. So now as we can see, the guy is loosening this up, and we'll take it off, and there we can see the spark plug, it's out.